jabang nili samika cherong parpi aprang si berta thipi pen arjuitha
Council election along State Election Commission atum nangchi jogdun bor idet aphita tim Karbi Anglong atum do clip ke manghume me pusi APHLC atum lam thechepakla KSA phan CEM tuliram ronghang karbok thap aputhak pinrem si pherangkia thengno lamwoi kachipi All Assam Karbi Anglong Midday Meal Cook House Workers Helpers Association 13th Bar Anniversary Talon Pon
non bertang ton pen arjuitha
Sixth schedule hawarmati Council election along State Election Commission atum nangchi jogdun jiaphan aja kongawe mati aronawe pusi atumi APHLC maiphu jai kathar methang ahemalong phirangkia mai phapon APHLC atum pen non angkile ji Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council kilik jiaputhak lamthi chepak langdun ke non kilik mate election conduct ji aphan ke State Election Commission ateng pen ke sixth schedule area ke kilik conduct onde Athe State Election Commission ke Panchayat Law Lapen Municipal Alosi Pathemunak Lasi sixth schedule areas ke conduct on ek jong si alang litum conduct ji pulotangte aprang 1951 alo ateng pensi conduct nang ji pusi APHLC mai phu jai kathar pen ningje pon alang litum ki puateng ke Indian Constitution along ketok angdo articles 243M along amatsi ketok dokogajok Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council atumsi angdeng pihini lapen angdeng so troxy lapen amethang voter list kaselam unaja kongdo lasi State Election Commission atumke chejokdun un e pusi constitution along ta tok angdo pusi APHLC maiphu jai kathar pen ningje pon
pen siksidol ateng ben si pedo nangi pusi rata tum andap punangi State Election Commission ke nang ne puga putip na lapen par angdeng pihini angdeng so troxy pen kya election ka pedo pen voter list ka selam allo selam serak nai pugera tum punang po demand nang po la pen ke election hutuke la autonoma sikidol ateng pen paragraph 2 sa paragraph 7 pen aron ka selam kang tung la pen ke autonomous state hemprek ke hang kang tung atum bansi rat atum election pape highway nang po la hello alam ke thihek la alam ke demokrasi ke tum damos kratos election hai heti ke tum thang da pun e puon san de nel tum ke kai ke hang jo tum lo arni sita prime minister long ni tum aphanang piludun chok thamelo le nang piludun de lo kante Assam State Election Commission si election conduct po pulo la so putha nelitum ke aphrang men da pubom lo je sixth schedule angdeng pihini angdeng so troxy pen si election allo selam nangji election ka pedo allo aron pen voter list ka selam aron ta la council si selam nai pulo council tum selam ledet non anta ajir dingolo non ningkan frida ka dam tulo selam ledet high court order dosita alang litum la non BJP a council tum selam high headed selam ledet la pena job ako election nang le thulelo anke governor ta ha avive thang aja kong ka ve bang phan rong arlo meeting ke do ke ja nangji a commission a phansi dak elitum a det so Karbi Anglong a det so a council a chongmei election ka pedo account na pe japon ji pusi ako puthulelo ju November hinia tarik 2021 November hinia tarik si nang pedolo la si nilitum pulo nilitum governor phan ju kedam tang December cricket homarni governor phan lo pidam lo do arot la pen ke voter list ka selam aron selam thu serak nahi selam lemat hala State Election Commission ke lage gaon panchayat alam gaon pulote nang litum chini lo gaon wrong arlo amme ke ja bang phansi det ake the pisi na pe jaji election la poson si ke claim kurong ke la ke ilitum autonomous power constitution benangi pi ilitum autonomous power ka che warlo la pen ke bang ta asylum loksi ilitum a power nangi tidun akam claim tek det la sinilitum governor phan chu December cricket thomar ni nitum lo pidam lo je la so ke chok chi la ke a ron jong si selam le det lang pulo tang te selam le det ke council si ke chok chelo la BJP sarkar dum ke chok chelo BJP council dum ke chok chela thoi phak se ta hala 1951 a rules along hala dakipu a ron selam le tik ke angding pihini angding so troxy B clause B along ke do kipu ateng ben si six schedule ateng ben si election pedo nangi pada ke pudo la sineli tunge pulong je state election commission ke ajak kong ave dak nangi lut dunjia phan halake bi ong ing day ong halake ili tum yong si akang day ki lut dun thulo pula day tum autonomous state ta ke hang ya kam avelo itunge ing tui mu chot si ke hang amad bi akibi thata bi thu pik hang ja hala long se ako ki lut dun thu hala tum a room si ki lut dun thu pula te la ke itum autonomous state ke hang bahem pre ke hang ta or alam the itum kachini ne japlan de to la sini tum pulo ye autonomous council a election ke la ke hala 1951 a rules
Atumyaruni phai pho arni anikang sampor phai pho porpen KSA rikijip lapen metheng tom atumpen ASDC sai hemalong pherang ke thengno CM Tuliram rong hangaphan lamboy ka chipi kedam tang aru kethom arni Dr Tuliram rong hang Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM alangli KSA atumaphan tangka chuchot lapen KSA ningi si pendo de lapen Karbi lamet amayalong nang chitong dunde puhai hui alangli karbo kaputhak KSA atumpen CM Tuliram rong hangaphan kapin rempon
Student associations and the organizations of Karbi Anglong never attend Karbi Lamet Amai because there is no money, because they are not going to receive any profit or they are not going to receive any benefit from such kind of program. But we would like to tell our CM Chuliram Ronghang that how could the KSA and how could the organizations of Karbi Anglong could attend such kind of programs when those programs are used as a platform for their political campaign, for their political mileage. So we the Karbi Student Association and the entire organization of Karbi Anglong will boycott such kind of programs when they use a literary platform, a literary program as their political campaign. So we will never support those kind of programs, and we the Karbi Student Associations will condemn those kind of leaders who demean Karbi Student Associations and who takes KSA as a granted. The Karbi Student Associations are united. The Karbi Student Associations are strong, and the people and the Karbi Student Association will always raise an issue for the benefit of the people of Karbi Anglong, for the benefit of the Hill Scrap peoples. Thank you. No non-tribals or no non-Karbi Anglong people should get employment opportunity or any admissions in those colleges and those government colleges. And another point that we would like to talk is about our late Sumila Ronghangpi case. We are all aware that on 22nd April 2021, our sister late Sumila Ronghangpi was brutally murdered by Bortakur family at Rohan, Nagaon. Why our sister have to be killed at some other places? It is because of the failures of our Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and also it is also because of the failures of our CM Tuliram Ronghang, because they have not prioritized educational sectors in Karbi Anglong. Till now, how much budget they have earmarked for the development of educational sectors in Karbi Anglong by the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council? They have, the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Councils have established good educational institutions in Karbi Anglong, then we would not have lost our late Sumila Ronghangpi, our sister late Sumila Ronghangpi at Naga in the hands of the non-tribal people. So we condemn those kind of leaders who claim to be a statesmanship, who claim to be strong leaders in Karbi Anglong. And lastly, he said that the KSA, the political leaders of Karbi Anglong are not scared of organizations or not scared of KSA. We would like to tell him that today the Karbi student associations are divided because of the patronizations of political parties like him, like Sri Tuliram Ronghang. He is the one who patronized division, who bring divisions among the Karbi student associations. So if he wants a united KSA, then he should stop patronizing, he should stop supporting KSA for their political mileage and for their political. Our Honorable CM of Karbi Anglong is ready to give our land to our neighboring state Meghalaya. So we would like to tell to our Honorable CM that Karbi student associations will never agree to give and take policy. Because the development he is talking about is confined to within the radius of 5 kilometer or 6 kilometer radius of Karbi Anglong headquarters, that is Difu. But when we go beyond the radius of 5 or 6 kilometers beyond the of district headquarters Difu, we could see there is dilapidated road conditions and lack of educational institutions and other kind of basic amenities the peoples are facing. So what kind of development he is talking about? Simply painting pay sarpi, it's not development. And simply putting street lights, it's not development. If they want serious and they want real development, then the rural peoples and the peoples from the remote area should benefit the fruits of developments brought by the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and by the CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council.
Patumini Pai Po, Nijang Karbi Anglong Dongkamukam Adapor Pai, Nerkep Apor Malompen, Lamain Tur Ponsi. Kachikemu Amilur Kai Ponsi, Mai Cheng Ponlo, Lasi Patumi, Ukam Workers Helper Association Atum Amethang Asai Hemalong, Ningkan Cricket Home Kechoksi. Patumi All Assam Karbi Anglong Midday Meal Cook Kam Workers Helper Association Atum Amahang Kitek Arnimate 13 Bart Anniversary Talon Ponlo Lapen Labangso Association Amahang Kitek Cheng Lake Surihinira Sirkep Aningkansi Amahang Patek Ponlo Lasi Pining An Surihinira Inquairahini An Aningkana Banke Nipai Po Arnia Banke Ningkan Cricket Home ke Choksi Talon Ponlo Lapen Bangso Amayalong Penang Analam ke Mesen Jiapan Aputak Chethan Pon Kedamtang Anke Kitun Kedang Atumapan SMC Alongsi Tangka Mahata Nang Leetiti Inut Bang Hiniapan ke Pipon Pedet La Sonta Dolo Lasinili Tumta Isi Cookers Atum An Chelangsi Council Akit Hegiding Atumapan Jingki Pen Nili Tumapan Asap Soviet Setame Adoramui Nang Pabat Ponlong Lopusi Chethan Pon Lapen Patumi Bang Somayalong Aluhiaman Pen Nang Kachitong Dun Lake Central Committee Krishna Nat Lapen Dhormo Kanta Gogoi Aluhiaman Pen Chetong Dun Lapen Alang Litum Kimang Son Po Pen Kimanga Sonta Chun Ponlo Lasi Central Pen Pharo Sirkep Lapen State Pen Pharoisi Pangrumpet Pen Surisi Achiklo I Journal Along Pen Bainong Long Ponlo Lapen Alang Litum Pen Kimanga Son Kithenai Abangki Kitun Kedang Animarlia Tumapan Prabjin Pen Appointment Alo Pipon Pachok Una Sonte Mepar Pigji Pusi All Karbi Anglong Midday Meal Cook Association Pen President Rupali Bepi Pen Pherangkiang no Nang Pachini Dunsi Patumi Bangswamai Ingsamjin Pen Pechun Pon
Nilitum Kemanga Son Nilitum Son Podo Kemanga Son Pen Pinian Nilitum Kicok Tang Asap Sudolo la sila so alam puthe bangkera do phanta nilitum nakapadu kangtu asina litum non nilitan kompo nilitum aprang kicengsi bangke nilitum kitun kidang atum dukpik kiduk pen nilitum bang SMC longsi tangkap mahata pirthita leet la pen nilitum phat adhok aku katum phane pipi pe lasi nilitum isi nonason nilitum Jepang rumpet pedisi nona son decision nilitum jumpu pon lo la pen nilitum la so puthak nilitum se council ta dam thulo council ki dam pen nilitum phan la hai kopi pas nilitum ador maha mate nilitum aphan kopi pen sina pipon pe mala so puthak nilitum aleng ki thelong chingwai ching sai pen non bake nilitum phan asabek sida non na ki pipon nilitum phan phaske central pen pipon lo okene central pen pipon lo haro sirkep la pen ke state pen pipon lo pine haro isi apran pen lasi haro sirkep pen haro isi pen si suri si pa pen lo nilitum phan pi la pen ke non bangke nilitum ako la so non trisnana by deu nilitum pen cepaduk dun pen ke alangli cepaduk pen acu ada cikilong pen nilitum ala education minister ala nilitum la hasolam kacomduk dam pen nilitum kan la non haropon ang pipon lo la pen haropon ang pipon bang tani nilitum pan bangke par me sempa benglong ason sido itir ke ciklojon thombak nang pima nang pedet la mate non nilitum ako 25 tarik masa ciklo 25 tarik nilitum hala dharona pidam si nilitum pan ako la soputhak ako apina kecingwai tu ama nilitum education minister Ronos Begu Sarsi la pen baji pia pon itu tanang cingwai pon lo la sinona bangke nalitum hala so poisa bank kido haro popo bangta la so poisa bangta ciklojon thok nang pipon popo sinon bangke ciklojon thok abaha bangke haro popo suri ki thama poisa ni marlitum pan methang account long sopta chilong rep lo la pen ka ko nona bangke nilitum aphan haro kre popo la so poisa nang pipo pusinon bangka alam chak nang pipon sita nang pipetik ke nilitum ta ahok ma cobai mala so nambang ke nilitum ta putik tilang nang lelo nang nilitum account nang chithap lock an nilitum ta la so
আলোচনাত 25 মাৰ্চত শিক্ষামন্ত্ৰী ডাঙৰীয়াৰ লগত আমাৰ আলোচনা হৈছিল শিক্ষামন্ত্ৰী ডাঙৰীয়াই কৈছিলে যে মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী ডাঙৰীয়াৰ লগত আলোচনা কৰি আপোনালোকৰ দৰমহা বৃদ্ধিৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত জনাম কিন্তু আজি এটা মাহ উকলি গ'ল আজিলৈকে জনোৱা নাই গতিকে মামাইটো আমাক ভাগিনীয়ে ক্ষেত্ৰত চকু মেলি চাব বুলি আমি আশা নকৰোঁ আৰু হেতু কাৰণে নৰেন্দ্ৰ মোদীয়ে যি আমাক মৰম কৰে মাত্ৰ 900 টকাহে দিয়ে আৰু অসম চৰকাৰো মৰম কৰে মাত্ৰ 600 টকা দিয়ে আৰু কিমান দিন আমি এনেকৈ থাকিম কিন্তু 1,18,998 গৰাকী আমি কঁকালত টাঙলি বান্ধিছোঁ অতি সোনকালে আমি দিছপুৰ ঘেৰাও কৰিম আৰু খুব সোনকালে আমি দিছপুৰ ঘেৰাও কৰি আমি দিছপুৰৰ ৰাস্তা ঘাইপথ আমি বন্ধ কৰি দিম আৰু তাৰ জগৰীয়া হ'ব মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী ডাঙৰীয়া মানে আমাৰ মাননীয় মামা আমাৰ মৰমৰ মামাই নিজে জগৰীয়া
Newsfast Karbi Anglong
Karbi Anglong angkang development block long krei siang bong pen ki chokang hukilit naya block ke nong krepli korkanti MSC ahawar samilang somepi IDDP block ta isi loposi United Student Union of Karbi Anglong mate thi hekpen US UK asong atom pangdak pon lason thangthak ang thek ke himariti so arong edon ahem ki duk thektik rajes rong phara phan ke damtang Suri hini ra create truck pen troxy aning kanang bong apartment ke panong pi PMAYG completion report along ke paklang ke tang etlo pusi ang thek paklang pon detlo bon ta ahok pen ahem so ki kim ke ning kan ho pleng de pita piniar ni anta patang thek thilang bon ta completion report along ke tang etlo pusi completion report ang thek paklang lo lason hello ki chokang huang thek chiklang dak lo put US UK sodak penar bokpon la pen completion certificate copy along ta beneficiary fake signature pusi US UK asong japo atum sodak pena koyar bokpon tu nong kripli korkanthi local MAC mate KACEM rajuti so ame ke prang predet ajok samilang so IDDB block asai phusai khi la pen chokomar atum below poverty line mate thi hek pen BPL arada pharlo to jorde dun long le det lo puta US UK mai phu BB son teron sodak pen lam thiar bokpon tu
development block pen PMAYG hem so kikim kerang aron rit hipik ke tangte dupik pa abirta batai rat ma ko ki pon dulo si bangso puthak rat ahok peka chini ponje phans ni litu mahin pen pini bangso hemriti so arong rong na humrilo na humri der ma daga thedam long pen hem so pini ani ta ke tangte dupila la si Karbi Anglong autonomous council kachari ke thegrin pandani tum la bangso aputhak prabjin den ke tar lip padu ponse adai do block sakin ma soda kang sai ponje phani soda pachini puni
News Desk reports Newsfast Karbi Anglong
Pini Adap abirta lansi kang tonlo domi thakme kardom